Hello everyone, welcome to our Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. Are you planning to migrate to Australia as an engineer? Then your first big step is getting your qualifications assessed by Engineers Australia through something called the Migration Skilled Assessment or MSA. In this video, I'll walk you through what MSA is and why it's important. The four main assessment pathways. What kind of degrees are eligible? A deep dive into each method, especially the CDR pathway, and how our team supports engineers like you step by step. Let's get started. What is MSA? Migration Skills Assessment. The Migration Skills Assessment (MSA) is the official process conducted by Engineers Australia, the designated authority under Australia's Skilled Migration Program. Before you can apply for skilled visas such as first, Skilled Independent Visa, subclass 189. Second, Skilled Nominated Visa, subclass 190. Third, Skilled Regional Visa, subclass 491. You must show that your qualifications and skills meet the Australian engineering standards. That's where MSA comes in. Who needs to apply? MSA is for engineers who wants to live and work in Australia under a skilled visa. You must apply under a specific ANSCO occupation code such as 233913 biomedical engineer, 233512 mechanical engineer, 233311 electrical engineer, 263111 computer network and systems engineer, and many others. Each applicant must prove their educational background and engineering competency. The four main MSA pathways. Engineers Australia offers four different MSA pathways depending on where and how you obtain your degree. First, Accredited Australian qualification. For applicants who studied engineering in Australia at an EA accredited institution, example, bachelor's degree from the University of Sydney. Apply directly, no CDR required. Second, Washington Accord qualification. If you studied in a country that's a signatory of the Washington Accord, degree must have been obtained on or after the date that country joined. Example, Accredited Bachelor of Engineering from India. Apply directly, no CDR required. Third, Sydney Accord. Engineering Technologist. For engineering technologist qualifications, similar process to Washington Accord but for 3-year technology degrees. No CDR needed. Fourth, CDR Pathway. Competency Demonstration Report. For applicants whose qualifications are not accredited. Includes most Sri Lankan, Indian, Pakistani, and other international degrees. Must submit a full CDR report. Now let's take a closer look at the CDR pathway because this is where many engineers need help. What is the CDR pathway? The CDR pathway is the most common method used by international engineers. To apply under this pathway, you must submit first CV, second CPD list, all learning training after graduation. Third, 3 career episodes, real projects you have worked on. Fourth, summary statement, linking your experience to ESA competency elements. This pathway tests your practical knowledge, communication, and ability to apply engineering concepts in real work scenarios. Engineers Australia has strict guidelines for CDR writing. Any copied content, wrong formatting, or vague project descriptions can lead to rejection. Types of degree. What's accepted? Now let's talk about degrees. What's accepted under MSA? First, bachelor's degree in engineering. Second, master's in engineering. Third, 3-year engineering technology degree, Sydney Accord. Fourth, diploma plus work experience in rare CDR based cases. Important, even if your university is recognized in your country, it may not be accredited by Engineers Australia. That's why many applicants are directed to the CDR pathway. How we help our expert CDR support. This is where our company supports engineers like you. If you are going through the CDR pathway, we help you with free initial consultation, CV plus CPD writing and formatting, 3 career episodes written or reviewed, summary statement mapping, plagiarism checking, one-on-one expert guidance until submission. We have helped engineers from Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, UAE, Pakistan, and many more countries get approved by Engineers Australia through the CDR pathway. So remember, if your degree is accredited under the Washington or Sydney Accord, you have a faster route. If not, don't worry, the CDR pathway is reliable and we are here to support you. Need help with your MSA or CDR report? Contact us on our official WhatsApp number +9476 9111 Visit our website to book a consultation. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to stay updated on migration support. Share with your fellow engineers. Your career as an engineer deserves a global platform, and we are here to help you get there. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.